today I'm going to show you how to make a Señorita cocktail. So first we're going to grab a rocks glass. We're going to give it the little salt, sugar, pepper rim that's included in your kit. Looks like that. I'll leave that there for right now. I'm going to grab a shaker. And for this drink we're going to be using an entire lime. So you're going to cut up a lime, squeeze that right in there. And we're going to be doing 0.5 ounces of agave syrup. Sweeten it up a little bit. Then you're going to grab a little bunch of cilantro, get that right in there. And we're going to give it a nice little muddle. If you don't have a muddler at home, you can also use a spoon. Cilantro juices in there. Then for the Señorita, we're going to be using 3 ounces of our habanero pineapple infused rum. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to do a little shake with ice like we do for all of our cocktails. Gonna want to make sure that you have a strainer for this as well, because you don't want all of those cilantro chunks in your drink. So we're gonna give it a good little strain. And we're gonna top it off with a little bit more ice. All right. So that's how you make a Señorita.